Hello everyone, welcome to my ISC activity on subject Industrial Management and Operation Research on topic CPM using backward and forward method. So myself Prasad Muralidhar Saunke from Computer Science and Engineering Department. My URN number is 2103110 and my serial number is 60. So now you will see the what is the CPM is. So CPM its long form is critical path method. So CPM is a step-by-step project management technique to identify activities on the critical path. The approach breaks a project into work and then calculates the project duration based on estimated time frames for each. It identifies tasks that are crucial time-wise. So now we'll see the example on CPM for forward and backward method. So problem number one is draw the project network for the following activities. If activity durations for above activity are as below, determine critical path and project duration by using forward and backward path computation. So there are three readings as activity, preceding and duration. So activities are as follows like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and the precedings. The path is D to B, E to C, F to A, G to D E, S to D E, I to F G, J to H, K to I J. And the durations are follows. For A for 8, for B it is 5, for C it is 13, for D it is 12, for E it is 6, for F it is 6, for G it is 7, for H it is 9, for I it is 8, for J it is 2, and for K it is 6. So now we will see the how the points goes to the optimal critical path. So there is a starting point that is neutral. It goes through the three ways. That is precedings are three dashes. So A2 dash, B2 dash and C2 dash. It has a three ways. So A2 neutral point to A it has a 8 duration. Then B2 uh, B starting from B starting to B is 5, then starting to C it is 13. So as like it is goes through D to B. So D to B has a 12 duration. Then C E to C it has a 6 duration. Then F to A has a 6 duration. Then there is a G point. There has a two subsectors section that is D and E. It has each 7 duration. Then H has also two paths that is D and E. It has the same duration as 9. Then I has a two subsection as F and G. Like it is has shown in the figure F and G. It goes to the I. Then J has H with duration 2 and K has a preceding as I and J like 6 duration 6. It has a combined 6 and last is the endpoint. So this is the final critical path. So there is ABC points, then FDEG points, and HIJK points. So K is the last point, that is the ending point. So this is the critical path for calculating the CPM. So this is the forward path. Forward path is mainly for the max proportion. Starting with the zero, it goes like the start to A, that is A, start to B, it is 5, start to C, it is 13. Now, as like we have to find the optimal path for maximum duration. So it is like the A to F, it is has 26, then B, D, G, and F, it is has the 26, then A to C, C to E, it has a optimal path. We have to choose the optimal path. The optimal path for the forward path is to C to E, E to G, G to I, and I to K. It has the optimal path of 40. It goes like a optimal path, like E to C. Sorry, mainly starting from start to C. C it goes like 13 to G. It has a uh, duration 6 plus that is 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. Then it goes G to I. G to I has a duration 7. So 19 plus 6 7 is 26. Then G to I, that is 26 plus 8, it goes like 34. Then 34, then I to K, it has a reading like 14. So 16, though it is reading has a 34 sorry 6, the duration is 6. So 34 plus 6 duration goes like 40. So that is the optimal path. That is CEGIK. Use the optimal path for maximum portion for forward pass calculation. After that, the backward pass for the minimum. It goes like end to starting point. So it is like same way. but it goes like the I to G, then J to H, S to D, D to E, and C to starting point, B to starting point, and A to starting point. So the optimum of I is same like C to E, E to G, I to K, but it has a duration is 40 as usual, but it has a goes to backward path. So it has a minimum and maximum criteria for both the forward and backward path. So thank you. I would like to conclude my presentation. So CPM is a quite easy for forward pass, but as we go the backward pass, it can be a little bit tougher. But you can practice it every day, so you can uh, it can be easier for you to understand the CPM very clearly. And thank you for my listening my presentation patiently. Thank you so much.